To ensure your child's safety within the playpen, use the door equipped with a lever lock for entering and exiting. Open the door by pressing the lever located under the top right side of the door. To lock the door, make sure the door is closed and aligned with the top panel and bottom panel base. Gently pull down the wooden pull located under the lever lock. The lever should now click back into lock mode and make a distinct click sound, signaling that the door is securely locked. If the door isn't locked properly and it seems like only the top of the door is locked, unlock the lever and then align the bottom of the door with the floor panel so that the wooden pole can lock successfully. If the door isn't closing at all, it means that the lever is locked, and you'll need to unlock the gate by pressing the lever, then close the door and align the lever lock and floor panel so that the wooden pole can lock successfully. If you have any further questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team. Thank you and enjoy your new Comfy Cubs playpen.